Rosesilky is being promoted as a trendy online fashion store offering soft, stylish knitwear and affordable outfits. But the real question is whether it's a legitimate brand or just another risky online shop with polished marketing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. According to its own site, Rosesilky claims to be an e-commerce clothing brand operated by a company called Jerry Sport LLC, focusing on women's knitwear and everyday styles. However, here's the key point. Independent checks raise serious concerns about trust and authenticity. There are few surface-level positives. Clean, modern website with product details. Clear material listings and sizing guides. Standard e-commerce setup with worldwide shipping. But that's where things start to get questionable. The biggest issue is trust score and credibility. Independent analysis gives the site a very low rating, around 22 out of 100, and labels it suspicious, unsafe, doubtful. Security tools also warn the site has multiple risk signals and low reputation. Another major concern is domain age and transparency. The website was only created in late 2025, making it very new. Ownership details are hidden, which reduces accountability. And importantly, there's little reliable customer feedback, which makes it hard to confirm product quality or delivery consistency. So, is Rosesilky a real clothing store or AI? Short answer, it's a real website, but high risk and likely not a genuine established brand. There's no clear evidence it's AI generated, but it shows strong signs of being a new low-trust online store, possibly dropshipping or short-term retail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.